Hi friends, in the previous class we have discussed about file tab and last we need to discuss about this. This is zip and share WinZip Express. It is used for zip the files. It will help to reduce the size so that we can zip and we can transfer files. Now in this class I am going to discuss about home tab. In home tab there are many groups: clipboard group, font group, alignments, number, styles, cells, editing. Each group I will take one class. Now we will discuss about this clipboard. Okay, home tab. In home tab there are many groups and I want to discuss about clipboard group. Now we had here four options: paste, cut, copy, format printer and one arrow mark. Okay, what are these? We will see. First I will say about cut. If I will select these and I will press here cut and I will select target cell and I will paste so that I got text here. At the original position the text is missing. In the cut option the original position selected will be missed and the target position get that text by leaving the text in original position. Like that the cut is used, and there is shortcuts also for this. We can drag this up to for selection. I will right click on this. Here there is cut option. Like that we can cut, or we can go here and we will select that option. Or there is one more option called Control X. I will select like this, Control X, and I will go here and we can paste by selecting here, or otherwise we can right click on this and we can get paste option, or I will use Control V for paste. Like this I can use cut. And what is copy? I will select this and I will press copy and I will paste target cell and I will paste. Like this I can paste. See here, in the original position the text is present and the target position also text is present. Finally the selected thing is duplicated. Output is 2 copies. Like this copy option is useful. We can get total 2 copies. See here and this. And we had some shortcuts. Like I will select this and I will right click. Here there is copy option, or Control C, or I will drag this. We have shortcuts, so I will right click here and I will go for copy option, or I can also go for the here copy option, or there is shortcut called Control C. Like this we can copy, and I will go for target cell and I will paste. Paste is Control V. Like this I can paste, or otherwise I will right click and I use this paste option. This one is paste option. Like this I can copy. In the copy here there is one more arrow called copy picture. Like this there are two options. Copy as a picture, I will click. Before that I need to select. I will select this and I will use for copy as a picture option, and here this is shown as shown in the screen. Here as shown in the screen, or as shown when printed. When we printed the text, how we will get that one will be selected. Or picture or bitmap. Bitmap means any map. If there we don't have, so I will select only this as a picture, and I will go for example I will go for Photoshop, or yeah, it's little bit late. Like this we can paste here. Like by Control V we had a paste option. Now I can see this as a picture. Normally text means we will type here something like this, we can get text here. For see here T text, but this is like a image. Like image it is there like an image. We can't edit this, but we can edit this something we can, because this is a text. We have copied like a image so that we got it as an image. And next one is this arrow mark. We will go for format painter afterward. First we will discuss about arrow mark. Here there is arrow mark. If we click that, we got this. Recently what we have copied, those all history will be here. I had copied this before, and also I have used the copy arrow mark copy as a picture, and here we got this. If I don't want this history, I can right click here and I can delete here, so that the history will be not here. Or I can delete total history like this and clear all. Like this if I press, it will be clear all. So what's the option for what this is history is there? If we had different files, number of files, in that we need to select what we should copy so that we can use this history. For example, I will copy up to here. See here we got this, and I will select here and I will paste. See here, if I select this target cell and I will press here, it is came. If I press here, if I use this, we got this. I have used this. If I want this image, previously we have copied. Like this I will select and I will press this. See, this is image because I have recently copied like an image. We can't edit this. See here, we can't edit this, but we can edit these all things. This is an image, and like this it will be useful. If I want to delete this history, I can go here and I will delete, so that I can't get here the history. If I want to clear all, we can press here clear all, so that everything will be gone. We don't have any history. If I will select this one and I will copy here, we got the total copy, and I will select here and we need to press like this up to where we have selected. We got this. If I want selection might be like this, I can drag. Otherwise I will go for column and I will select up to that. And there is one more shortcut call. I will select here and I hold shift and I will select the target. See here, total entire is selected. I will select this cell and I will hold shift and I will select the target cell up to where I want to select. I can select like this. This is one more shortcut. Now we will discuss about format painter. I will select this format painter, and for example I will select this all things with the bold, Italian and underline and also painted. Yes, this one I have selected, and I use format painter option. If I drag this, enter is selected. If I select only this and I will press format painter, now I will select and drag. See here, we got like this. And again I will press format painter and I will select here and I will drag like this. See here, we got again. I will select format painter and I will select this and I will drag this. While I am selecting, it is taking the previous cell. If I select this and I will press the format painter up to that previous cell, how it is, we target text also will come like that. If for every time we need to go for format painter means it's not a good thing. So that if we want format painter for permanently or for use many times, we will double click here, so that the format painter will be available. See here, like this I can change everything like this. But format painter is not gone because I have clicked 2 times. If I select this all thing and if I select this thing, see, everything has been changed. For this, format painter is used.